How to clear variables in Ipython. Sometimes I rerun a script within the same Ipython session and I get bad surprises when variables haven't been cleared. How do I clear all variables? And is it possible to force this somehow every time I invoke the magic command %run? Thanks.
%reset seems to clear defined variables.
Edited after it or dimk comment. To erase a variable, use the magic command. The variables that are erased from the namespace are the one matching the given. Therefore, we'll erase all the variables containing an A. Instead, to erase only A and not AA. See as well %reset_selective ? For more examples and this URL for a regex tutorial. To erase all the variables in the namespace C.
Adding the following lines to a new script will clear all variables each time you rerun the script. To make life easy, you can add them to your default template. In Spider, Tools, Preferences, Editor, Edit Template.
In Ipython you can remove a single variable like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.